Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bite. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started. Microsoft helped identify ocean trash with machine learning for the Ocean Cleanup Startup. It is an organization that designs technology to clean up plastic from the ocean. This organization had also participated in a Microsoft hackathon at an earlier stage. The moon is getting 4G. NASA is paying Nokia's Bell Brand Labs $14.1 million to build a 4G network on the moon to help astronauts control lunar rovers, navigate lunar geography in real time, and stream videos. Google faces the biggest antitrust lawsuit in 2 decades. The US justice accused tech giant of using a network illegal that disadvantaged smaller competitors. Google answered that they dominate because they have better products. Airbnb is joining forces with iconic ex-Apple design chief John Ive. Ive led Apple through major product launches like the iMac and iPhone and Apple Watch from 1996. WhatsApp plans to step up security with Face Unlock support on Android, according to WhatsApp Beta Info. This feature will be very useful to the devices which come without the fingerprint sensor. Pre-orders for iPhone 12 have more than double those of the iPhone 11. According to an analyst, Apple is said to have sold over 2 million units of iPhone 12 in its first 24 hours of pre-order availability. SpaceX has rocketed nearly 900 Starlink satellites into the orbit to build a high-speed internet service. Elon Musk, the company's founder, says Starlink will soon open for public beta, followed by paid US service shortly. So this was the video guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. Coming up this week is a special iPhone 12 video. Hope you guys like it. Keep subscribed and turn on the bell notification for every update from how to.